everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Thursday, August 31st. The final day of August is here on this year 2023. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us here for your TF headlines. And let's jump right into it. First, we start with some road construction updates. We got some openings to tell you about. First, we'll start at Syene Road and Lacy Road. That construction has wrapped up at that intersection. That intersection will open tomorrow, September 1st, 2023. So excited for that. They'll continue with some restoration and complete the siding and pavement markings if not done already, but that intersection will open tomorrow, and that means the next closure is going to be at E-Recyling Parkway and Syene intersection. That will close tomorrow as well. So you got Lacy Road and Syene opening, and you'll have the other side of now the Syene and E-Recyling Parkway closing as they begin construction next week, but that closure is taking place on Friday, and then they'll work on that intersection through the end of October is the anticipated completion time on that. So we'll keep you updated on it. Either way, that is one of our updates. The other one is on the other side of Lacy Road. It's going to be Lacy Road and Seminole Highway. That intersection will be opening tomorrow, September 1st, the roundabout. Work will still continue between Seminole and Fitchrona Road, though, as they continue to redo the full roadway there to a more of a urban roadway and not a rural roadway. So that work will continue through November, but the roundabout at Seminole Highway and Lacy will be opening up. So that was anticipated ahead of the school year. As far as work, is work continuing. They still have, again, the conversion of a rural roadway into an urban roadway with curb and gutter and storm sewer. The roadway concept includes one vehicle lane, one bicycle lane in each direction with a median in some locations, and one multi-use path on the north side. Street improvements, stormwater, water main, sanitary sewer improvements, and again, now the roundabout that has been completed at Seminole Highway and Lacy Road. All right, moving on. We've got other news besides road construction. It's the splash pad. Tomorrow is your final day to get into the splash pad. Yes, the splash pad will close up for the season on September 1st. So last day to visit the splash pad is tomorrow, September 1st. So got 2 good days here. If you've enjoyed it today, you got tomorrow before it closes for the season. Appreciate everybody who has been out at the splash pad and it's got to cool off. Fitchburg Senior Center will have a new caterer when we return after Labor Day. Fitchburg Senior Center announced earlier this year they will have a new caterer starting on September 1st. Atlantis Valley Foods, LLC, will be becoming the new Dane County Senior Nutrition Program caterer. It's a family-owned and operated business located in Cottage Grove, Wisconsin. Either way, we're excited to have them start up next week at the Senior Center. Fall Shred E-Recycling and Med Drop event has a date. It's going to be held this year on Saturday, September 16th. Excuse me. And this will be over at our City Hall campus. So you'll be able to, of course, gather up 3 grocery bags of confidential paper for shredding. Any old electronic recycling can be brought over for recycling. Note batteries are not accepted at this event. And there is some extra cost for some of the electronics. You can check out our flyer online at fitchburgwi.gov. And then our med drop box is open as well, and you'll be able to stop in to the police department to use that. So either way, September 16th, that's when we have our electronic recycling day. So excited, fall shred and electronic recycling day events. And finally, if you're heading out this weekend, we want to make sure you stay safe, and Ready Wisconsin wants you to remember, especially if you're camping, know before you go. Yes, if you are going camping, remember to check the forecast, though it's looking pretty good. But maybe you're going out of state. I don't know. Let others know where you'll be going. And, of course, have an emergency kit supply in your vehicle. And bring the bug spray. Have a good week, or have a good day. We'll see you back here tomorrow.